I'm going to make a quick bandsawn box. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the lid to shape. I can further refine this by sanding. The next thing I'm going to do is cut the bottom from the box. And I'll make a cut to define where the lid comes off from the body of the box. And next I'll make a cut defining the interior of the box. And now you'll see basically how the box goes back together. From the waist in the middle, I'm going to make a little piece that defines where the lid fits onto the body of the box. So this little piece will be glued back on to the underside of the lid. Now I can begin gluing parts back together. the box upside down like that on top of the lid. I want to make sure it's lined up just right. And then I can mark on the inside where the lid keeper will fit. And then after a little bit of sanding, I can line this up and glue it in place. So I'll put the glue on the underside of the keeper. Line it up with the pencil lines. Make sure it's held tightly in place. And I'll put clamps on it. When you apply glue, things always move a little bit, so you want to just double check, triple check to make sure that things stay where you want them. And now with that done, I can turn this, I can figure out which way the bottom fits. I can spread glue. And I can clamp the bottom on. And with the addition of just a couple more clamps, you can see that I have a I have a box started. Now with the lid in place, I can begin shaping the outside of the box. To know where the blade is going to emerge at the bottom, I can compare that space there with that space there, and I can be certain that it will come out and finish the cut down at the bottom. I've also checked on the inside here to see that I'll leave plenty of material on the inside of the box. I'm going to trim the ends just as I did the front. Slightly so I don't take away as much there. In fact, I think I will straighten the blade up straighten the table up all the way so it's flat. And then I'll do my shaping along here at a straight angle. Now the rest of my shaping will be done on the belt sander. So this is a simple bandsawn box. I want to thank Michael Cullen for his inspirational video on Fine Woodworking's website. If you want more information about making tiny boxes, I have a great book that you might enjoy. It's called Tiny Boxes by Taunton Press. You'll find Tiny Boxes and other fine box making books by Doug Stowe on Amazon.com.